This is the hallway, third floor, but it has an elevator. Huge closet. It was renovated recently. Your heat and all water's included. Live-in super. It's pretty bright. This is south, but it's facing like the back of another building. Brand new appliances. Silver steel appliances. Granite countertop. Microwave, stove. Right now it's 5:30 p.m. There's another granite countertop and extra storage over here. Laundry is right across the street, but you have laundry in the unit. But they do dry cleaning over there. This is it. It's a beautiful renovated studio.